HDFC twins together, they've contributed more than 50 points to the kind of gains that were registered on the Nifty this Wednesday. But sectorally, auto and pharma have been the best performers. And on the volatility front, India VIX has gone down close to 3 percentage points. So that's where trade ended. But joining us on the show to understand the markets and the cues to watch out for in trade tomorrow, Avinash is here from Joindre Capital Services. Great to have you with us, Avinash. What's the sense that you get? Because there is volatility, one day of gains, then we go down, then we rise again. So obviously this is more or less factored into most of the reading that we have of the markets. But in the sense of a general direction and the cues that the markets are reacting to, and today being a day that the MSP price hike actually happened, do you think that these kind of news flows and the reactiveness of the markets are only to be expected much more as we go into election mode?
Yeah, definitely. In fact, Vikram, as you rightly pointed out, the MSP is more of a populist measure, but the markets definitely, like this because clearly this is going to help most of the fertilizer as well as, the consumption kind of sectors, especially if you talk about housing finance, agrochemicals. So I would say that, we have seen stock specific moves today, especially a lot of, stocks moving up in the auto sector. Maruti was one of the top performers, possibly, companies like even M&M could benefit.
Yes.
But overall, if you see the structure of the market, our sense is that global news flows would still continue to drive the markets. We are going to see the first impact of the tariffs impact coming on China tomorrow,
yes,
because that is going to be keenly watched how China reacts to these measures put up by the US market, president. And most importantly, earnings seasons are going to tick off. I think the first numbers obviously are going to be the IT companies. So how the Q1 of FY19 pans out is also going to be equally important. Broadly, the markets are unlikely to go up in a hurry. What we have seen today is largely, I believe, something about short covering. Maybe the mid caps will still continue to underperform, but overall it's going to be the large caps again on a stock specific basis.
Right.